Sir, please send the PDF.
Yeah, exactly. So first of all, now after my completion of my session, I request all the students to just have an interaction with me. And like this interaction is just going to explore more opportunities to understand, more opportunities to open up yourself to talk to your teachers. So if suppose I'm here, so if suppose you're interacting with me, so you have a facility that may later on. Meanwhile, if you're doing something you look that you need myself, then you can easily ask questions to me. So let's begin with that. And I'll share whatever I'm just teaching here. I'll share that in group. Don't worry about that. Please, you may start questions. This round is absolutely open for questions. पूछ सकते हैं आप. This is
So
that.
I have very basic and I have very question like first of all, how can we develop our interest in learning electronics? Because as I am the student, I don't like to learn electronics. I have least interest in that. So how can I develop interest in learning electronics very nicely so that I can score very well?
Perfect. That's a very perfect question. See, like first of all, the interest always comes to your future perspectives. If you are looking something for a future, so until and unless you're looking for a future, you have a certain target, you cannot just put your interest. दो एस्पेक्ट्स होते हैं. सबसे पहले आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं, आपका टारगेट क्या है, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली योर टारगेट. तो माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट आपने फाइनली आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ बीटेक व्हाट इज योर टारगेट, वेयर यू वांट टू सी योरसेल्फ?
Sir, as a engineer of AI and robotics to develop more and more robots and machines.
Ultimate. That's so nice. That's a very pleasing answer. बहुत अच्छी बात है. Fine. Now you are looking to work with the AI. AI, it means you are saying someone and someone is doing for you, which is not a human but a machine. Yeah? आप किसी से कुछ
Yes,
कह
sir.
रहे हैं, वो human नहीं है, that is a machine. And the machine is always made up of two things. पहला, the first programming attribute, software attribute, जिसको उस मशीन को चलाना है. And the second is what? Hardware. So hardware is actually executing. काम कौन कर रहा है? Hardware कर रहा है. कौन flow करा रहा है? Hardware flow करा रहा है. But who is giving the direction? The direction is given by the software. So this software has no meaning until and unless it is exactly posed on certain kind of a hardware. So it is required, it is very much important that you should start thinking कि अगर मैंने AI पे काम करना है तो मैं इस AI को कमांड देने के लिए किसको बोलूंगी. So whom I just giving asked you to give a command. So I have to start with the thinking on that कि जिसको मुझे कमांड देनी है उसको समझना होगा. Like just take an example. Suppose that you are at home and you are an elder sister. Suppose an example. And you have a small kid with you, है ना, छोटा भाई है आपके घर में, एंड उससे कुछ काम करवाना है. तो उससे कुछ काम करवाने का मतलब यू आर पुटिंग एन इंस्ट्रक्शन. क्या बोलना है? जाओ मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी गर्म करके लाओ. अब पानी गर्म करके लाओ का इंस्ट्रक्शन यू आर गिविंग टू हिम. बट अब ये आपको उसके एट्रीब्यूट चेक करने पड़ेंगे ना कि वो गर्म पानी करके लाने की कैपेसिटी में है या नहीं है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि इटसेल्फ लाइक वो पानी ही अपने ऊपर गिरा ले या कोई नुकसान कर दे, समथिंग लाइक दैट. See, so you have to check the attribute at that particular hardware also. So देखना पड़ेगा. So here, so my suggestion is if you're looking for the AI, wonderful. This is a very good platform. You keep on exploring. देखो इंडस्ट्रियल एप्लीकेशंस को उठा के देखो, सीधे AI टाइप करके देखो. What we required for the AI, what we required for the robotics. जब तुम देखोगे तो you need to go for the electronic circuits. You find out the number of electronic circuits are working here and there. Then you will definitely keep starting your interest in that. Okay. And meanwhile, ऑलवेज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसका स्टेप एक और होता है. अपनी क्वेरी को कभी भी लिंगर ऑन मत करो. डोंट पुट योर क्वेरी फॉर टुमारो. इफ क्वेरी कम्स इन अ माइंड, इमीडिएटली उस क्वेरी को अपने आसपास, अपने रिसोर्सेज, अपने टीचर्स के साथ में, और इट मे बी पॉसिबल टीचर्स नहीं है तो गूगल, इमीडिएटली फाइंड इट आउट एंड स्टार्ट रीडिंग ऑन दैट. डन. दिस इज द बेस्ट वे.
Yes, sir.
ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.
Sir.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you, sir.
Next question, please. You all are invited to ask questions.
In about mobility of holes and electrons.
Very nice, very nice. Mobility of electron and holes. So first of all, we should understand what exactly the mobility. Mobility is nothing but an ability to become mobile. ability to become mobile. It means a thing is moving fast. A thing is moving fast. This is the one quality. Can it become more fast? This is an ability. So the ability to becoming a fast is basically called as a mobility. What happens? As I told to you, within the piece of semiconductor material, we got two type of charge carriers. One is called as electron and another one is called as hole. So all these electrons and holes, if you see here in my slides, you would be able to find out that electrons and holes are being created here. And these electrons, those are here that are moving, they are having a high energy. So what example I just take, I just permitted one student to go outside from the class and do yoga. So the person is free. So he is not only moving around the class, he can even move on the corridors too. He can even move up to the gate also. The free electron having more energy. क्यों? कोई मिलेगा तो क्या बोलेगा? I have just taken a permission from sir, and that's why I am outside. But you people are inside the class, you cannot move on. Same happens. So you have a low ability to move. आपकी ability class में घूमने की नहीं है. You can only move from one seat to another seat which is vacant. But that student has the ability to move outside. तो इसी तरीके से जो वैलेंसी में जो कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड टूट के वैकेंसी रह जाती है, that vacancy has a low energy. Low energy, because of this low energy, it can move slowly. So that is called as a mobility. And the electron which becomes
can
free.
we say,
Yeah.
when we say if temperature will increase, the energy will increase, and which leads to increase in number of holes, that leads to increase in conductivity and decrease in resistance.
Exactly. That's so nice. This is all related. This is exactly all related. This is related with the number. This is related with the kinetic energy. This is related with the thermal energy. Three aspects are there. First, number. If you see here in the conductivity equation at the last, sigma is known as conductivity, n is number, E is electronic charge, mu is the electron mobility. So if you see, it is depending on what? It is depending upon n number, it is depending upon charge, and it is depending upon mu. And mu is depending upon temperature, mu is depending upon the electric field also. Very true, it's right. Perfect. Next question, please.
If we increase the temperature, electron mobility will increase or decrease?
Obviously,
See, I
if
got
you are increasing the temperature, electron mobility will increase. Surely increases. If you go here, I'm showing you another slides. This is here. If you talk about, this is a very common diagram. So many times you have already studied. This is exactly
Yes,
what the
sir.
valency band. Here we have the conduction band. Here we have the energy gap. Similarly, talking about semiconductor. If suppose electron is here in this valency band and you are giving a little temperature, and the temperature is related with the formula 3/2 kT. You can note it
Yes,
down.
sir.
E equals to
Thermal
3/2 kT. K is a Boltzmann constant and T is the absolute temperature. So if T is
Absolute
rising, energy is rising. Energy is rising, it is going to the conduction band. Obviously, in conduction band, it is more free to move when it has high. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Thank you, sir.
So nice. Very good. It's a very wonderful question you are asking. Please, you can ask the questions. पूछ सकते हैं आप सभी लोग?
सर
Yeah.
सर कभी कोई कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो
हाँ
और
जी।
ऐसा पॉसिबल है कि दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन्स चले जाएं वहां से और दो होल्स क्रिएट हो जाएं वहां पे?
देखिए स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर अगर सपोज कीजिए दोनों ही कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड अगर टूट गए, ठीक है, मान लिया, इट कैन बी पॉसिबल, लेकिन इसकी वजह से एटम अनस्टेबल हो जाएगा। और एटम
Yes,
की
sir.
हाँ, एटम की टेंडेंसी क्या है? एटम की टेंडेंसी ये है कि वो अनस्टेबल नहीं होगा, तो एटम अपने पास के नियर बाय से शेयरिंग इमीडिएटली कर लेगा, इमीडिएटली वो शेयरिंग कर लेगा, क्योंकि वो स्टेबल स्टेट में रहना चाहता है। ये बिल्कुल वैसा ही है जैसे आप अपने दोनों पैरों पे खड़े हुए हो और एनी हाउ अगर आपको किसी ने कहा कि एक पैर उठा लो, हल्का सा धक्का देने की कोशिश की, तो अगर आपको लेफ्ट में धक्का दिया तो आप राइट में आने की कोशिश करते हो, राइट से धक्का दिया तो आप लेफ्ट में जाने की कोशिश करते हो। ये दिस इज अ वेरी नेचुरल फिनोमेना। तो जैसे ही उसके दो इलेक्ट्रॉन चले भी गए तो अनस्टेबल स्टेट पे जाते ही आसपास इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी बढ़ाएगा। इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी का मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉन अट्रैक्शन। सो इमीडिएटली नियर बाय जो भी एटम उसके पास में होगा उसके साथ जाके अटैच हो जाएगा। सो लाइक दैट इट्स पॉसिबल। ओके,
यस सर।
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज। वेरी गुड, यू पीपल आर डेफिनेटली आस्किंग गुड क्वेश्चन। हाँ, कोई भी नो नीड टू जस्ट चैट हियर, नो नीड टू रेज हैंड्स, डायरेक्टली इट्स अ ओपन सेशन। आप अपना अनम्यूट करिए माइक, क्वेश्चन पूछिए।
So my one more question is, what is the difference between electronics and electrical?
Superb question. So wonderful question. Generally, I ask this question to all the students in second year, third year, and specifically final year, because this kind of a question is asked in interview. So generally, people says, so those are working at the low voltage called as electronics, and those are working on the high voltage called as electrical. It's not like that. Electrical is basically a study of dynamics of phenomena of electron. Important point. Carefully listen. Study of behavior or dynamics of electron in conductors is electrical. You have a piece of wire and studying that whether the current is flowing, voltage is dropped or not, like that. So when you are studying this phenomena of current and voltages in conductors, then we say this is electrical. But when you are talking about the studying of behavior of electron in a special type of material like vacuum tube, like semiconductor, like nano materials, then you say this is the electronic. So ultimately, electronics and electrical is not related with the voltage, because a power diode also work on 500 volt. It's not like the voltage relationship. And some of the electrical component may work on a low voltage, also 10 to 12 volt. So it's not a
Can you
voltage
re-explain?
phenomena. Yeah, it's not a phenomena. So this is phenomena is directly related with the specific condition, materialistic condition. हवा में तैरना और पानी में तैरना, हवा में उड़ना, पानी में तैरना, it's like that. So when we are studying the flow of electrons in conductors or in the different insulator type of material, then we say this is electrical. और जब हम उनके phenomena के components की study, when we talk in a specific material, vacuum tube, semiconductors, and nanoparticles or nanomaterials, then we say it is
Sir, you
electronics.
say if we talk about electrons, key flow, flow of electrons
Dynamics
in a
of electron.
particular material, in a particular material
Specific
like
material.
semiconductor vacuum,
Specific.
then we will call it electronics.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we call it electrical.
Exactly. Semiconductor material, diode, transistors, and different kind of rectifiers you are making up. You are making the
So
switches and devices.
PCB motherboard.
PCB motherboard, I've already shown. See, if you are capable to watch this one, see, यहाँ
sir.
पर अब हम इसको देखते ही बोलते हैं ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कंपोनेंट हो गया. अब ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कंपोनेंट क्यों है? दिस इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट बिकॉज इट हैज आईसी है ना, ये पीसीबी पे बना हुआ एक आईसी है. एंड इफ यू सी व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स हियर, इसके ऊपर यहाँ पर आपका देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर एक वो लगा हुआ है, आपका रेगुलेटर लगा हुआ है. इफ यू सी हियर वी हैव अ डायोड, इफ यू सी हियर आईसीज आर हियर, ऑल दीस कंपोनेंट्स आर हियर. इट माइट बी पॉसिबल कि इसके ऊपर रजिस्टर भी लगा हो, इंडक्टर भी लगा हो, दैट इज आल्सो पॉसिबल, लेकिन वो इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपोनेंट कहलाएगा रजिस्टर, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिकल में वायर में स्टडी की जा रही, कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल है, नॉन कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल है. बट इनसाइड दिस आईसी इज व्हाट, इज सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियल. तोड़ के देखोगे इसके अंदर सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियल निकलेगा. तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, mechanics of electron, it is nothing but mechanics of electron. But mechanics of electron where? हर जगह नहीं, only in a specific material.
Yes.
Okay,
Thank you, sir. So,
Thank
can I ask one more question?
please, as many as you want, please.
So, somewhere I read about network management system. What is that? In electronic books only I read it.
Network management system, well done,
Yes,
so
sir.
nice. You know what happens nowadays, we are not isolated. Now we are not isolated, we are connecting with each other. अभी हम लोग भी एक दूसरे से बात करें, मैं यहाँ बैठ के पढ़ाता रहूं, it's not a
Yes,
me,
sir.
we are connecting with each other. So the connection is called as basically the network. Now what happens nowadays, as we are connecting through different kind of a platforms, like the social media platforms are here, professional platforms are there, so all these kind of a things requires networking. That networking is totally depending upon somewhat related with the direct callings, dedicated path or the common path. उनके लिए या तो हो सकता है कॉमन पाथ हो जिसपे सब लोग यूज करते हैं, लाइक इंटरनेट. इंटरनेट इज अ वेरी कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म. हम में से कोई भी कुछ भी रख देता है उसके ऊपर एंड दैट सेंड्स टू समवेयर. हम सब एक ही यूज कर रहे हैं. इट्स लाइक अ हाईवेज, जैसे हाईवेज है ना हमारे सब जगह हमारे देश के अंदर, दैट्स लाइक अ वेरी हाईवेज. एंड डेडिकेटेड पाथ आर दोस लाइक अ चार्टर प्लेन. If somebody is going from one place to another place, उसका अपना खुद का प्लेन है, उसमें बैठ के जा रहा है, nobody else is permitted. तो हॉटलाइंस पे जितनी भी सिक्योर कॉल्स होती हैं हॉटलाइंस पे होती हैं. सो अब जो हाईवेज हैं, तो हाईवेज पर क्या करना पड़ता है आपको? हाईवेज हो गए, या इफ सपोज यू हैव सम रोड्स आर देयर, तो क्रॉसिंग्स होती हैं, क्रॉसिंग्स पे लाइट्स लगानी पड़ती हैं. सो दैट लाइट इज मैनेजिंग द ट्रैफिक, because if suppose people are coming from here and coming from there, so one has to make. So under this networking, if the devices are there, people are using a large number of the devices. So all those devices has to be connected with each other, and that connection need a management, and that management is called as a network management. So that's a very, very wonderful area. And all the communications companies are working on that network management. Okay.
So as you said just now about IC, integrated circuit, what
Right.
that means actually?
Integrated circuits. See, previously, like you have seen a circuit, so many areas are there, you have seen a circuit. Have you just seen a charger opened anytime? टूटा हुआ चार्जर देखा है, खुला हुआ कभी?
Yes sir, मैंने देखा।
Yes sir, yes
देखा है
sir.
ना?
Yes sir.
चार्जर के ऊपर
देखा है सर।
चार्जर के ऊपर एक सर्किट बना हुआ है. Have you seen that? That is called as a circuit. Fine. If suppose anyhow you have a capability of
बाहर
making,
देखकर आना, मन्नू का फोन आ रहा है.
if you have a capability to make large number of such circuits on a small piece of material, then it is called as an integrated circuit. Large number of the circuits integrated, connected with each other on a common place, it is called as IC. So here this is an IC. If you see, this is an IC, and this IC is consisting a very large number of the circuit. It is a microprocessor IC. So this circuit is consisting large number of circuits inside that, and that all are called integrated circuit. Okay. So more are there. So many different kind of circuits are there. Different kind of aspects are there. Later on, you will study about that.
And sir, what is IA also?
IA is AI basically. In what reference you are talking about the IA?
No, I'll just tell you the full form. Just a second, sir.
As per schedule, the proper classes will commence from 21st October. So it will be online or offline?
This kind of a thing will be better. So those are managing this orientation program. So it's better to ask to Sakshi ma'am. So she'll tell you better. Okay.
Sir, IA is instrumentation amplifier.
What type of practical we have to do with this subject?
And sir, where they are used?
Instrumentation amplifiers. First of all, in the communication system, instrumentation. Suppose that I'm talking and I want to send my information to someone in Canada who is sitting in Canada. So suppose that my voice level would be able to reach up there. No. What is happening? First of all, I'm talking in my mobile phone. My mobile phone is creating a signal, electromagnetic signal. That signal reaches to the towers. And those towers, those stations, networking stations are having amplifiers. So specifically amplifiers, those are capable to boost up a signal strongly, called as an instrumentation amplifiers. So like potentiometers are there that make the signals in a proper form of the current transformers are there. So different kind of amplifiers are there. You have a varieties of amplifiers that are being used.
Example of amplifier which we have used in our daily life.
Generally amplifiers, you generally use you have a stereo system at your home? Stereo
Sir,
music
no,
system?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, that music system is an amplifier. You are connecting your pen drive, you are connecting your mobile with that music system is there, and you are raising a voice with that. That is an amplifier. That is a very simple kind of a combination of power amplifier, and that power amplifier is an instrumentation amplifier. Okay, it is a combination of a multiple stage.
Sir, can we include a phone's speaker?
Can we include? Yeah, phone has also.
Sir, can we include phone speaker in that?
Yeah.
Can
Phone is also having an amplifier, because if suppose this does not have amplifier, you cannot talk on a speaker. So that a speaker is somewhat making this voice high. So everywhere there is a utilization of amplifier. Yeah.
His mic is also phone processor.
It is a microprocessor.
Sir,
The mic is also an amplifier.
No, mic is not an amplifier. It is a transducer which changes sound wave into the form of electrical signals. Then electrical signal needs to be amplified. Then amplifier is used. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then
प्रोसेसर के बारे में बताना.
प्रोसेसर के बारे में बच्चों, ठीक है. प्रोसेसर अगर किसी भी डिवाइस के बारे में बात करी जाए तो प्रोसेसर इज अ मेन हार्ट ऑफ अ डिवाइस. मेन हार्ट मतलब वो जगह, जैसे आपका दिमाग, योर माइंड इज अ प्रोसेसर वेयर यू प्लान एंड पुट अ प्रोग्राम इन दैट. जस्ट टेक एन एग्जांपल. मैं एक मशीन बनाना चाहता हूँ ऐसी मशीन मैंने बनाई जो मैं कमरे में एंटर करने के बाद में अपने आप से ही मेरे एंटर करते ही फैन ऑन हो जाए, लाइट ऑन हो जाए, पहला। सिमिलरली अगर सर्दियां हैं तो फैन ऑन ना हो, केवल लाइट ऑन हो, ठीक है। दिन है तो लाइट ऑन ना हो, केवल फैन ऑन हो, और गर्मी में ही होना चाहिए। रात है तो लाइट भी ऑन। अब सी कितनी सारी कंडीशंस मैंने दी, और ये कंडीशंस को कौन सोचेगा? एक डिवाइस सोचेगी। अब डिवाइस तो अपने आप सोच नहीं सकती, सो वी आर द पर्संस हु आर गिविंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू इट। उसको हम इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रहे हैं। कैसे दे रहे हैं इंस्ट्रक्शन? व्हेन पर्सन एंटर्स, तो सबसे पहला काम ये करो, चेक। स्कैनर लगाया, चेक किया पर्सन इज देयर और नॉट, यस पर्सन इज देयर, अंदर एंटर हो गया। एंटर होते ही वो सबसे पहले टेम्परेचर चेक करेगा। इफ इट इज 25 डिग्री लेस टेम्परेचर, यानी कि इसका मतलब ठंड हो रही है, पंखा नहीं चलाना। illuminations check karega. So who is doing that? Somebody is there who is checking all these things. The device in which we put such kind of a program is called as a processor.
Can you explain the processor in terms of laptop? As you know, in laptops there are various types of processors, Ryzen, Intel processors.
Yeah. If you see here, it's a very big story like that has been started from the Pentium 386 model, 486 model. Now you have a processor with you in the phone. i7s are already there. If you're going for the mobile phone, you have a Snapdragon, octa-core processors are there. So actually this is nothing but processor is simple device which is connected with a certain kind of a memory, which is connected with some sort of the values of registers where it can store the program, which is connected with some pins. If program is running, it is generating signal on that pin, and that signal is executing that task. Now what is happening with respect to the improvement, like from the Intel, when it has been started from the starting 386 coming on the 486 model, then P1, P2, P3, P4. Once P4 has been up, they come up with the dual core processor, they come up with the Core 2 Duo processor, then after they come with the I series, and now we are working with the I series. So all these processors are just only implementing and improving what? Number of bits per cycle. It means how many instructions they can execute in a certain period of time. So the processor is known with respect to its speed. So now the processor are becoming fast. It means if 1000 instructions are fetched in 1 second of time, we are saying it's so fast. So if you see your computer, the computer has a certain speed. If you see here, you find out, you go for, like it has a speed 2.03, 3.05 gigahertz. So 2.03 or 3.05 gigahertz is a frequency 1 second, 3.0 gigahertz instructions can be fetched in 1 second. This is exactly the speed of a processor. So this is the advancement, and like it's a very, very huge topic and subjects. Yeah.
Sir, what is generation?
Generation किसी भी चीज
Sir, what is generation?
Generation in what reference?
Like जैसे IP8 generation, 10th generation laptop.
Generation in terms of,
रहता है ना सर?
हाँ, see,
उसका क्या मतलब होगा?
Got it. Very good question. You know what happens? Like we have a computer systems, and in an era we work on. एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम स्लॉट में बनाया गया कि जितने भी एडवांसमेंट्स होंगे किसी एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम स्लॉट में, वो पर्टिकुलर टाइम स्लॉट के एक ही कैटेगरी के, सपोज करो आपने एक i5 प्रोसेसर बना दिया, ठीक है। अब i5 प्रोसेसर के साथ में आप बाकी सारी जितनी भी चीजें लगा रहे हो, उसकी हार्ड डिस्क लगा रहे हो, उसके साथ में SD रोम लगा रहे हो, नंबर ऑफ द थिंग्स यू आर असेटिंग। अगर आपने एक सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ लॉट ऑफ टाइम के लिए केवल एक ही चीज में परिवर्तन किया, बाकी सारी चीजों को सेम रखा, केवल आपने प्रोसेसर में बदलाव किया, बाकी सारी चीजों को सेम रखा, तो यू सेड दिस इज अ वन जनरेशन, ठीक है। देन आफ्टर सेकंड जनरेशन में आपने प्रोसेसर भी बदल दिया। प्रोसेसर के साथ में पहले आप नॉन स्टैटिक डिवाइसेस यूज करते थे, अब आपने स्टैटिक डिवाइसेस यूज करने शुरू कर दिया। पहले आप लेंस यूज करते थे, नॉन ऑप्टिकल, आपने ऑप्टिकल यूज। तो जब आप नंबर ऑफ द चेंजेस यू हैव जस्ट मेड, देन यू सेड दैट वी हैव चेंज्ड द जनरेशन। अब ये वो जनरेशन नहीं है, समझ में ही बात। पहले बायोस सेटअप पे काम करते थे।
i7 i9 में क्या डिफरेंस हुआ?
स्पीड डिफरेंस है बेटा। इंस्ट्रक्शंस मैंने पहले ही बताया, सारे प्रोसेसर्स जो भी होते हैं उनका सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है कि कितने नंबर ऑफ बिट्स, कितना बड़ा इंस्ट्रक्शन वो एक बार में एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं और एक सेकंड में कितने इंस्ट्रक्शन एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं। ये किसी भी प्रोसेसर में डिफरेंस होता है। Your network is not clear. Hello. Your voice is not audible. Please repeat.
Hello, sir. As we were studying about silicon in the last some minutes view, So I want to know what is the advantages of using silicon at place of germanium.
Advantage of using disturbance is here.
Silicon at place of germanium.
Silicon and germanium. Okay, advantages.
Yes, sir. It is also good to use, but why we overcome?
Now you only one person, please, one at a time.
Yes, sir. Sir, my question is exactly, as germanium is also good, but why always we overcome silicon on germanium? What are the plus points of silicons on germanium we are using silicon?
Well done, well done, well done. If you see here, we have, first of all, I'm just giving you an answer. Then I'll just making your question is somewhat now not fit nowadays. See what happens. If you see here on the slide, on this slide, you find out that we have this energy gap. And this energy gap is what? It means required energy by which a valency electron become conducting. So in the case of the siliconium and silicon and the germanium, we have basically comparison about that. So germanium requires less amount of energy, but the silicon requires 1.1 electron volt. But if you're talking about the long-term stability of the silicon atom, that is far better. Because if happens, if suppose you're making a device and you're subjecting it with the values of the high electric field and high temperature condition, so that may cause into going into the breakdown. So silicon has a less probability as compared to the germanium. Germanium generally undergoes quickly to the breakdown situation if we compare in silicon and germanium. So that's why I prefer silicon. But nowadays what happens? We are not only working with the silicon and the germanium, now we have a complete compound components. Because we have improved the properties so many, like now the silicon has been converted with the gallium arsenide like that. So if you see here in your LED TV screen, you find out the different kind of LEDs. That LEDs are not only made up of a silicon that has been changed. Now we are having a compound combination of all these one. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So I hope so. You might be having another class too.
Yes, sir. At 12.
So 12.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So well,
Thank
I'm
you, sir.
concluding my
Thank you.
session. So I'm very
Thank
much
you, sir.
pleased
Thank you,
with you.
sir.
Yeah, I'm very much pleased with you all students that you have all participated so nicely. So I'm definitely very much curious about.
सर जो अभी टीचर्स पढ़ा रहे हैं बाद में भी वही रहेंगे कंटिन्यूअसली जब बैच डिवाइड हो जाएगा.
So that will be totally depending upon. So I'm really happy with the today's session that you have learned a lot of things and you asked so many things with me. So near future, I should be happy to interact with you. So with these words, I'm just closing today's session, and you feel any query anytime I'm available for you. Thanks. Thank you all.
Thank you,
Thank you very
sir.
much.
Thank you.